Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. I have a blender to repair. Customer has given me this. It is not working. Yeah, no power. Then I have checked that this is the safety switch. Yeah, I have push and I have plug in also, so it's not working. Then after that I have seen, see there is one. Can you see? Yeah, there is also one safety switch. Yeah, this is also a safety switch. Then I have seen this safety switch was off. Yeah, then just you one time push, then it will on this safety switch. After I press the safety switch just one time, then now it's working fine. Let's see it on. Okay. If I press this, now it will work. So it's working. So this blender, just problem was this safety switch, it was a turn off. And what is the reason this turn off? Because this reason is when they in the blender jug they put extra something for blending, and at this motor unable to spin, unable to spin, then that time it's this safety switch automatic will turn off, for saving the motor. Yeah, so after that we have to turn it on. Then from jog we have to remove something to make it more easier, so then it will work. Yeah, so today this was the problem. And now new all latest model, all model are there, they are giving this safety switch. Yeah, very small safety switch. Yeah, you just push by something, you just push one time, then it will turn on, and then it will not turn off. If you put in the jog extra something, it's unable to spin, then only it will turn off again. Yeah, that's it. Now it's working fine. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.